Are you buckled up? Because today I'm going to talk about 3 stupid, simple side hustles that could easily bank you $1,000. And if you're thinking, Shelly, you're probably going to be talking about, filling out something online and be able to make money that way, or selling your blood. No, I'm just kidding. This isn't some filling out surveys or nothing like that. Now, this is 3 very easy side hustles that I would probably say is my favorite. My top 3 favorite side hustles to do, and they're tried, true, and true. So all you have to do is stay with me and pay attention. No, do you have to be a rocket scientist to do this? No, you don't. Anybody. This is for beginners. Anyone can do this. My daughter just turned 12, and I guarantee you she can do all 3 very, very easily. So if she can do it, I know you can do it too. Now, you're probably also thinking it's going to be really expensive to get started on these. Now, in all 3 of them, I'm going to tell you how you can start for free, for nothing, and how if you wanted to spend a little bit of money, we're talking pocket change here, how you can, exponentially increase your profit. Now, let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and go to number 1. And these aren't in any particular order. Easiest, hard, fun, not, which all 3 of these are going to be fun. 2 of them might be a little bit more funner because you might have to work a little bit more hard on one, but that's okay. So the first one is going to be KDP Publishing. Now, I have an entire series on KDP Publishing and recently did a video of it, which I'm not going to even point up here because I'll just put it down in the description so you can watch it afterwards. Now, this is fun because we talk about doing low content books, medium content books, high content book, and you literally create the book and then you upload it to Amazon KDP. Anyone can do it. It's not hard. Now, if you're like, Shelly, what do you mean by low content and high, Low content books is stuff like journals and something that they need to fill out, recipe books, something like that. And, the medium and high content books is considered like puzzle books, coloring books, even, writing your own kids book or something like that. And one thing that I tell everybody to use that makes it even easier for you to use is BookBolt. This here is a software and it's called BookBolt. It's super, super easy. Anybody can use it. And, like I was telling you, it's pocket change if you want to be able to use the software. No, you don't need it. And, there's tutorials, the products, you can create the stuff very easy. There's keywords, KDP Spot. It just helps you make your life a little bit easier. Do you have to use it? Nope, not at all. It just makes some stuff a little easier for you to do because like when you start on like the front of your book and everything, then it can help you with your graphics and on the inside of the book, et cetera, et cetera. You can watch the video down below. But it's fun. It's easy. I've set my kid down on her computer and I'm like, I'll open BookBolt and she's like, Mama, this stuff's fun. I'm like, I know, just have as much fun as you want. And if it ends up being good, I'll upload it. If not, it's no big deal. You're sitting there and you're having fun and she's learning at the same time and she's getting to know a little bit about being an entrepreneur. So that's fun. It's an easy way to make money. Now let's go on to number 2, which is affiliate marketing. Now, I talk a lot about affiliate marketing because affiliate marketing is tried, true, and true. It's been around for a long, long time. Oprah Winfrey, she got rich off doing affiliate marketing. You're like, what? What do you think she was doing? She bring people onto her show and she talk about some kind of product and stuff. She's getting some money off of the back end. Okay, if you don't know what that is, all affiliate marketing is you just tell people about a product, whether it's a digital, which I do a lot of the digital stuff, digital, physical, doesn't matter. You get a percentage. That's all it is. You say you use Dove soap and you share about it, tell people about it. Literally, if they like what you tell them, then they buy it. You get a percentage off of it. It's that simple. So that's why I like it, because for one, it's a win-win. Usually, again, like if it's Dove soap, someone's looking for it, or if it's like me promoting a course, someone's wanting to learn how to make money online or something like that. So in a way, I am making money. Not in a way I am. I'm making money But in a way, then I'm helping them too, because someone's looking for it, whether they're looking on social media or they're looking on in an ad I've read, or someone's looking for the answers. And I have the answer because I have tried whatever it is that they're looking for. I don't recommend you promote something with affiliate marketing if you don't know anything about it or you haven't tried it before. For example, like if I'm promoting a course, I'm not going to promote a course if I'm not in it or have taken it. Does that make sense? Or software. I'm not going to go to say, hey guys, let me tell you about this Joe Schmo software. And I don't know anything about it. But if I know something about it and I can tell you whether it's good or bad, then that's cool, because I'm letting someone know something and I get to make money off of it. That's affiliate marketing. The hardest part to affiliate marketing, so I guess out of these three, it would be considered the hardest only because you have to have traffic to what's called your affiliate link. So if you're promoting something, the company usually gives you, it's called an affiliate link. It's a link that someone clicks on, and then if they buy it, that's when you get that percentage, the win-win part. So if you're kind of confused when I say the word traffic, it's not sitting at a stoplight, okay? Not that kind of traffic. Basically, all traffic is people. So when you're an affiliate marketer, what you're trying to do, or if you're an affiliate of a product, you're trying to get people to see what you're talking about. So you have to get people, you need their eyeballs on that product. But this day and age, when it comes to social media, we have TikTok, we have YouTube, you have Instagram, Facebook Reels, all kinds of different things that you literally can, you can take TikTok, for example, and even if you don't have like a link, your link that I was telling you about, in the bio or description, if you're talking about it and each video says it even has 100 views, which you're going to have more than 100 views, but let's just say you only have 100 views, that's 100 eyeballs. Comes super easy this day and age. And then of course, you can pay for traffic, you can run for ads and all kinds of stuff like that. So this day and age, it's a lot easier to get traffic than you could back in the day. You literally could create, which I could talk about this on another video, like a lead magnet, something that has like a checklist or an ebook, something that talks more about it, something that someone wants, and then they click on it to check it out, and then it can lead to like more about your product and stuff like that. And someone that doesn't know you, it's where you don't have to really have an audience, but it's better to start building the audience, even if it's small, because you have the know, like, trust. So if they know, like, and trust you, they're gonna trust what you're saying. If you're saying Dove soap works, they're gonna believe you more that Dove soap works. Or you can write articles, with blogs. You can go out and you can even, there's like medium.com if you don't have your own website. You don't have to have your own website. And just write like a blog about it. It doesn't have to be specific words. It doesn't have to be great. I used to, when I first started writing blogs, I thought it had to be like, okay, I say great, perfect. It doesn't have to be like that. You just have to get it out there. Just get it out there. It's called content, create content. That's probably the hardest part to affiliate marketing, but I love affiliate marketing. And out of all three of these, I would say that you probably could make the most money with affiliate marketing because, once you create a piece of content like on YouTube, then it's out there. The more people watch it, the more people could buy your offer, could find out what you talk about, stuff like that. Hope that makes sense. And number 3 that I want to talk about is the Amazon Influence Program. Now this one is more newer. Not a whole lot of people are doing it. It's been around, I would say, really the last year and within going into 2 years. Now, right now is the best time because I'll talk to people about it all the time that I'm like, okay, I'm sure they're in my area, they're in my niche, and they still don't have a clue what I'm talking about. And it's probably the easiest because all you do is you can apply to be an Amazon influencer. I'll show you the page. I'll put it up right here. This page right here. And like I said, there's a way to do it, all of this for free with the affiliate marketing. I can put a link that you can just get you started. You could pay a little bit of money. And the same thing with the Amazon influence thing. It's easy. It's really easy. But if you want to get more into it and have, everything, the plan all right there for you and have a PDF checklist and all that kind of stuff, I'll put the link down below. But basically all you're doing is you're taking a physical product and you're doing a review. So you're taking your phone and you're holding your phone and, hey, I am going to tell you guys about this pen. This pen has all these different colors. It is really one of my favorite pens. I really like this. It works really well. I mean, it's about a product. That's it. And then you upload it. You may not know this, but when you go onto Amazon, you're allowed 6 videos. So each product is allowed 6 videos. And Amazon influencers, those are the ones that get those videos onto the specific product. Let me show you. Okay, now this is Sharpie pens. Yeah, I'm boring. I could have found something cooler. Now, a friend of mine told me the other day that they're actually allowing 7 videos. So I guess that they're right because this in here says 7. But see how there's 7 videos right here? These right here are Amazon influence videos. These right here. The first couple are usually the first 1 or more. Usually you don't see more than 2, 3 pushing it, or from the program itself or like from Sharpie. But then the rest are all influencers. What's cool about it is that it's easy to do. I mean, you literally can use your phone and record a video and upload it. And what's even cooler is, say someone watched one of those pens and it was one of mine and then they bought it. I think you have to watch it for 30 seconds or more. They had $500 in their cart of stuff that they have added in their cart, and then they subtotaled out. I get a percentage of everything in that cart. Cool, right? Yeah. So this is fun because, you know, you can do your Amazon stuff and have fun doing your reviews, and you can upload, and it's easy. You know, it's just like I was telling you about the Amazon KDP. I mean, it's fun too because you can create stuff. You can create your book and choose your cover, and it's, you know, it's fun. This is fun too. You know, affiliate marketing is fun too. It's just a little bit more work, like I was saying. But you could easily get $1,000 a month in all 3 of these categories and bank, because in all 3 of them, there's ways that you can not just reach for here, that you can even reach for here. Now, some more than others, but still, it's very, very easy to do. And I don't say easy very lightly. Now, hopefully you like this video. This is, again, probably my top 3 favorite things to do to make money. And of course, I always talk about online or digitally. So do me a favor. I mean, yeah, like the video, that's my tip. But put in the comments which one that is your favorite or that you're gonna try, and let me know. But for now, go ahead, do that, and watch the next video up, and I'll see you in there because I'm in there. See you there.